Now we are going to study question from December 2011 exam, question 2, and same question asked in October 2016 exam also in question 8. Okay, so please everyone give the heading December 2011 question 2. Okay, and same question is also asked in October 2016 exam question 8. Okay, so please everyone give the heading. Now I am going to read the question. So what the question asking us? A weather balloon whose total mass is how much, guys? A weather balloon of total mass is how much? 18 kg. Is at a height of what? 120 meter. Moving vertically upward at a constant velocity. Guys, try to see the scenario. Huh? Here we have what? A weather balloon whose total mass is how much? 18 kg. Is at a height of what? 120 meter. Okay, at a height of what? 120 meter. Okay, and moving up vertically upward with a velocity of 6 meter per second. Okay, see the point here. Moving with a velocity of what? 6 meter per second. When an instrument module of 2 kg breaks, means a balloon whose total mass is how much? 18 kg. So guys, see the scenario here. What we have? Guys, try to observe the drawing here. Try to observe the drawing. So this is what? A balloon. Okay, this is what, guys? A balloon. Okay, this is what? A module. Balloon total mass is how much, guys? What is the total mass of balloon? 18 kg. And how much is the mass of the module which breaks from the balloon? Which breaks from the balloon is how much? 2 kg. And at a particular instant, suppose this is what? A ground level, guys. This is what? A ground. Okay, observe this point here, everyone. Okay, don't write anything, don't do anything, just try to observe the things. So this is what? A ground. Okay, try to see the scenario. So this is what? A ground. Okay, so here from here, so this from here, how much distance, guys? How much, guys? This distance is how much? 120 meter. Okay, so this distance is how much from the ground level? Okay, so this distance will be what? Everyone try to observe the scenario. So this distance will be what? Okay, it is visible for everyone. So this is what? A 120 meter. Okay, a weather balloon whose total mass is 18 kg is at a height of 120 meter and moving vertically upward with a velocity of 6 meter per second. Okay, so this balloon is going, how it is going? This balloon is going how, guys? Upward. Okay, this balloon is going upward with a velocity of what, guys? How much velocity? Okay, 6 meter per second with a constant velocity. With a constant velocity of what? 6 meter per second. See the word, constant velocity of 6 meter per second when an instrument module of 2 kg breaks free. Okay, so at this instant, this module will break what? This module will break from this one. Will break from a balloon. Okay, guys, this is what? A module. So this module, what will happen with this module? Module going to break from a balloon when balloon is at a height of what, guys? 120 meter from the ground level. Okay, at a height of 120 meter. Okay, so from a ground at a distance of 120 meter. Now what they are asking us here, guys? What they are asking us here? So see, when balloon breaks, when module breaks, try to see the scenario. When module breaks, whatever the velocity of balloon, the same velocity will be module also have. Guys, try to listen my points. When module breaks from the balloon, module will have the same velocity, as the balloon. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Means I am explaining you, I am trying to speak once again. Okay, I am trying to say once again. When module breaks from a balloon, whatever the balloon has the velocity, the same velocity will also have a module. Okay, so means at the breaking instant, module will also have the same velocity of 6 meter per second. Can we say like this, guys? See the example of train. Okay, means if you throw it, means if you anything from the train, the whatever the velocity of the train will have, the object will also have the same velocity. Guys, try to observe the things here. Everyone try to observe the things. So same means whatever the velocity balloon will have, same velocity will module will also have. Okay, means if balloon have a velocity 6 meter per second, so then module will also have a velocity of what, guys? 6 meter per second. Anyone have any doubt in this drawing, guys? Anyone have any doubt in this point? Whatever the point I am explaining? At the braking instant, or when module breaks from the balloon, whatever the velocity balloon has, same velocity will also module will have. Okay guys, are you getting my means balloon has a velocity 6 meter per second. The same velocity module will also have. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario. Now what they are asking us in the A part here. Okay, this A part is again quite interesting. What they are asking us here, A part, the time taken for the module to reach the ground. Okay, what they are asking us here, time taken for the module to reach the ground. Okay, now guys, see, when module breaks from a balloon, what will happen? How module will move? Because initially module will have a vertical velocity, so directly it will not come down, guys. It will not come down directly. How it will go, guys? How it will follow the motion? First of all, guys, what motion will followed by the module? What motion followed by the module? What will module do? It is starting from this level. It will go up to 0 and then it will come back. Everyone, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. How will module go, guys? Means when module breaks from the balloon, it has a velocity which is in vertical direction. So it has a velocity which is in vertical direction. So what will happen? It will go up to what velocity? Till its velocity will become 0, and then from that point it will get fall down. Okay guys, so what they are asking us in the A part, okay, I am reading A part once again. Please everyone try to observe the scenario here. So what they are asking us in the A part, the time taken for the module to reach the ground. Okay, see the point here, the time taken for the module to reach the ground means module breaks from this point. Okay, module breaks from this point at a height of what, guys? From a height of what? From a height of what? From a height of 120 meter. But when it breaks from when module breaks from a balloon, what will happen? It will not come directly. It will not come directly. How it will come to the ground, guys? First of all, it will go up. First of all, what will happen, guys? First of all, it will go up, and then up to what level it will go up? Till its velocity will become 0. Till its velocity will become what, guys? Till its velocity will become 0, and when its velocity will become 0, then from that level it will again come back to the ground, guys. Means then from that level it starts falling down. Okay, everyone getting my point? Now guys, this motion of the module, okay, this motion of the module, can we say it is in motion in gravitational field, purely motion in gravitational field? Because here they are not saying any air resistance, nothing they are saying. Okay guys, are you getting my point? So this motion of this module, this is what our module. Try to see the scenario here. This is what a module whose initial velocity is how much? 6 meter per second. Okay, so it will go up till its velocity will become 0 and then starts falling down. Okay, everyone getting my point? Try to see the scenario here, everyone. Okay guys, okay, good. So now try to see the point here. So what they are asking us, at what time module will fall to the ground. Okay, I'm saying exactly what they are asking us. The time taken for the module to reach the ground. Okay, time taken for the module to reach the ground. So how much time will it require to? So how much it will? How much time will it? See, the time taken for the module to reach the ground. Okay, so it starts from this point. So see. So this much time will it require? Now guys, my question for all of you. So what will be this one, guys? This level, this point means what? This will be what? This will be what, guys? Point of projection. This is what, guys? Point of projection. Okay. Now guys, here this initial velocity, can we take positive or negative? This initial velocity, can we take positive or negative? Positive. Why positive? Because it is in upward direction. Guys, if you remember our discussion, guys, I explained you. If velocity is upward, then we have to take it as a what? Positive. If velocity is downward, then we have to take it as what? If it is downward, what we have to take it as a negative. Okay, that's what we studied, guys, in our theory of this chapter. Okay, try to see the scenario here, everyone. And if you observe guys here, why I have given the name of this chapter as a linear motion? Because in this chapter everything is in linear. Why I have given means motion is only in one direction only, guys, either x or y or in inclined plane. Okay, guys, observe the things. Means here motion of this module is what? Only vertical, only in one direction. Okay, so guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario. Okay, so here, so see, this is water. Okay, now try to see the point here. So what will be the here? What will be the initial velocity? 6 meter per second. This initial velocity is what, guys? What about this initial velocity? Is positive. Why it is positive? Because it is in upward direction. Now guys, my next point is what? What is the vertical displacement? See, this is what a final point. This is what a point of projection. And this point will be what, guys? This is what a final point of module. Okay. Now my guys, what? Module will start from this point. It goes up till its velocity will become 0 and then it starts falling down. Now my question for all of you, what will be the vertical displacement for this scenario? What will be the vertical displacement for this scenario, guys? Wrong? Yes, minus 120. It is not a 120 meter. Vertical displacement will be what, guys? Minus 120. And why is it minus 120, guys? Our final point is below the point of projection. In the previous question we studied, guys, that point. Okay, so if our final point is below the point of projection, so what about this vertical displacement, guys? Okay, so y will become what, everyone? What will be the y? Minus 120 meter. Okay, now what they are asking us in the A part, guys? Try to see the A part. Very simple. In A part they are asking us time to reach the module to the ground. Okay, what is exact word? The time taken for the module to reach the ground. Okay, so they are asking us time to reach the ground. Okay, now how to find out the time? Same equation of motion in gravitational field. Okay, y is equal to ut minus half gt square. Okay, try to see the scenario here. Y is equal to what? Ut minus half gt square. Okay, try to see the how much y here? How much y? Minus 120. This is what a minus, guys, y is equal to, why it is minus? Because our final point is below the point of projection. And see, though distance traveled will be very high, it is bigger than that, but in our equation of motion we need only vertical displacement. And what is meant by displacement? Displacement means shortest distance between 2 points. So though distance traveled will be, how module will go? It will go up to this point, up to till its velocity will become 0, then again it fall down. Okay, though distance traveled will be more than the displacement, we doesn't need a distance traveled. What we need, guys, in equation of motion? What we need in equation of motion? Displacement, vertical displacement. What we need equation of motion in gravitational field? We need a vertical displacement. Okay, guys, try to see the scenario here. So y is equal to what? Ut minus half gt square. Okay, try to see the scenario. So y will be what? Minus 120. Minus 120 is equal to what, guys? Ut is how much, guys? Initial velocity 6t minus half. G is how much, guys? G is how much? 9.81 into what? T square. Okay, so minus 120 equal to 60 is equal to what? 9.81 divided by 2. What will become, guys? Minus 4.905 t square. So here we are going to form a quadratic equation, guys. What we are going to do? So 4.905 t square, shift this side, minus 60 minus 120 is equal to 0. On solving above quadratic equation, everyone has the advanced calculator. On solving above quadratic equation, try to see the scenario here. So now, guys, go to your mode, go to the menu of your calculator. In menu, go to the menu. In menu, select equation. Go to the menu, everyone. Menu, equation. After equation, what you have to do? There will be two options, simultaneous equation and polynomial. At what level polynomial here there? No. For the 991EX, those who are using 991EX, for them. Okay, select what? Select polynomial, and in polynomial select the option polynomial, and in polynomial degree is how much? 2. Okay, for those who are using 991, and then you have to substitute this equation in your calculator. Those who are using 991EX, those who are using 991ES, for them it is very easy. Go to the, those who are using, go to the mode. In mode, select equation, and equation select option number 3. In option number 3, you will get quadratic equation. Those who are using 991ES, those who are using 991EX, menu, equation, polynomial, degree 2, select degree 2, because what is meant by degree? Highest level, highest power, that is what a degree. Okay, everyone, are you getting my point? So here guys, on solving this equation, what we will get? We will get the value of t, and here we will get two values of t, because quadratic equations will also always give two values. First value will be what? 5 point. One more digit. Again 5 unit. Second. Okay guys. And what is again press equal to, everyone? Again press equal to. So we don't need a, okay, time will not be negative. So we have to select final value, positive value. So this much, in this much time guys, module will hit the, what guys? What will happen? In this much time, module will hit the ground. Okay. Guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here, everyone. Now in B part, okay, any doubt in this discussion guys? Any doubt in this step? This is step for the 991EX, how to solve the polynomial, means quadratic equation. This is for the those who are using 991ES, okay, both the calculator. But the speciality of this calculator, it is fast. Speciality of this calculator, it is rough and tough, okay. This is very, like a, what we can say, this is a delicate calculator. But the speciality is what? Though it is a delicate, means it is like a Apple, it is like a Windows PC, rough and tough, okay. Olden days PC, olden days laptops, 5 to 10 years before, they are very rough and tough, okay. But speed was very slow. But we don't need that speed when we are using shift solver. Then that scenario, it is very important. But if you handle this calculator, so speed is here. Both are good, okay. Yes, both are equal. Here it will require 2 to 3 seconds extra. It will solve very quickly. 991EX means preferred option is this one. But if you have this one, it is also okay. No need to purchase. But if you don't have both the models, then purchase new one. Okay. So guys, try to see the scenario here. Now guys, try to see the scenario here. Next point. What they are asking us in the B part. Okay. Velocity at which module hits the ground. Okay. With which velocity this module will hit the ground. Okay. With which velocity it will hit the ground. Okay. Try to see the scenario. So in B part, they are asking us velocity with which module hit the ground. They are asking us velocity. So we know first equation of motion in gravitational field, V is equal to U minus GT. Okay, so we have to find out V. So V initial velocity is what? 6. G is what? 9.81. And how much time is, guys, it is coming down? 5.5955. Okay, so everyone calculate this one. Everyone calculate this one. Six minus how much, guys? 9.81 multiplied by what? 5.59. 5955. How much, guys? How much is the velocity? Can anyone tell me? Minus 48.8918. If velocity is coming negative in case of vertical motion, what it indicates? What it indicates, guys? Because it is in downward direction. So at the end, what we will do? We will write down positive value 8.918 meter per second, and its direction is what, guys? Downward. In bracket we will write down. Okay. So guys, you got my point. Anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Guys, anyone have any doubt in this A part, B part in this drawing, guys? Okay. Initial velocity, why it is positive? This initial velocity, why it is positive? Because it is upward. Okay. Then we have a y. Y is minus 120 meter. Why y is minus 120? Because our final point is below the point of projection, and y means what? Vertical displacement. Vertical displacement is shortest distance between 2 points. Okay. So though object is going, means distance traveled by this module is greater than the 120 meter. But what we need in our calculation, we need a vertical displacement. And what is meant by vertical displacement? Initial point and final point. Vertical displacement means what? Shortest vertical distance. Guys, try to see the scenario. Huh? These things are very, very helpful. If you are good with y, means what is meant by vertical displacement. If you are good with this one, then means we will study in after few days. We will study projectile motion. In projectile motion, we need two types of displacement. One displacement is a horizontal displacement, another is a vertical displacement. If you are good with vertical displacement, then you will not feel any problem in projectile motion. So please be comfortable with what is meant by vertical displacement, guys. Huh? You got my point? Vertical shortest distance between 2 points. What is meant by vertical displacement? Vertical shortest distance between 2 points. If same level, y is 0, above the point of projection, then y is positive. If it is below the point of projection, negative. Means here point of projection. Okay. Whatever the point of projection may be at the ground, may be above the ground. Okay. Guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. So anyone have any doubt in why u is coming positive, why y is negative? Everyone has any doubt in this drawing? Observe this drawing. Huh? Module going up, breaks the module. Then we have shown the path. Okay. And then we calculate the time. Okay. Here we solved quadratic equation. While solving quadratic equation, we will get the two values. Out of two values, one value we got positive, another negative. Negative value has no meaning in case of time. So we considered positive value. And then here we got the value of v is what? What we got the value of v? Here negative. If we got the value of v negative in case of vertical motion, then it means what? Our direction of this one is what, guys? Downward. Okay. Everyone, please write down this one. One by one by. Draw this drawing, then that given things, then A point and then B point. Everyone. Okay, everyone. Try to see the C part here. What they are asking us in the C part. Huh? What they are asking us in the C part? Subsequent acceleration of the balloon. Okay. What they are asking us in the C part? Acceleration of the balloon. Try to observe the things here. What they are asking us in the C part? Acceleration of the balloon. Okay. Now guys, before breaking of module, okay, try to see the scenario here. There are two scenarios here. First one is what? Before breaking of module. Okay. So what will be the scenario here? Before breaking of module. So what we will have? This is what? A balloon. Okay. This is a schematic drawing, guys. This is what? A module. Okay. How much total mass of the balloon, guys? How much is the total mass of the balloon? Total mass of the balloon is what? 18 kg. Means this 18 kg include total mass of balloon. Huh? They are saying total mass of the balloon. So it include module mass also. So if total mass is what? 18 kg. So what will be the weight, guys? Weight will be what? What will be the weight, guys? Weight will become 8 inch. How is the motion here? Motion is vertically upward. So here motion is what, guys? Vertically upward. Okay. So A. Now what about velocity here, guys? In this scenario, what about velocity? Velocity is moving with constant velocity. Before breaking the module, it is moving. Balloon is moving upward with a constant velocity in the question. In the first paragraph, they said, guys, I'm reading once again. Try to see the scenario here. What they said? A weather balloon of total mass 18 kg is at a height of 120 meter, moving vertically upward with a constant velocity. Upward at a constant velocity. Guys, they are saying. Okay, so velocity is constant. If velocity is constant means what? So therefore, acceleration will become what? 0 meter per second. Okay. Now guys, now see, due to which force balloon will go this 18 kg mass, what this 18 kg mass will do? What this 18 kg mass will do? It will try to move the balloon downward. Okay, but what is happening here, guys? What is happening here? Is it balloon going downward? Balloon is going upward, guys. Balloon is not going downward. Okay, balloon is going what, guys? Balloon is going upward. Okay, due to which force balloon will go upward, guys? Due to weight, it will not go upward. It will go downward. But which force is responsible for the balloon to move it is upward? Can anyone tell me? No. Not because of module. Module is not responsible for anything. Module is just extra mass. Module will not do anything. Okay. Module is like a see. Which force? Buoyancy force. Guys, see. Buoyancy force. Correct. Very good. Means our ship sails in water, floats in water because of what, guys? Our ship floats in water because of what? Buoyancy force. Same scenario. See. Same scenario will be here also. Buoyancy force due to see. What is meant by buoyancy force? Buoyancy force means what? Weight of fluid displaced. What is meant by buoyancy force? If you want to know basic meaning of buoyancy force, okay. In naval, you may study what is the basic meaning of buoyancy force. Buoyancy force means what? Weight of fluid displaced. Guys, for your reference, just write down this one. Somewhere in your copy, what is meant by buoyancy force? Weight of fluid displaced. Now, what is meant by fluid? First of all, we know fluid means what? Mass into g. What is meant by fluid? What is meant by weight? Mass into acceleration due to gravity. That is meant by weight. Weight means gravitational force acting on the object, and weight will be equal to, mathematical value of weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of fluid, guys? What is the meaning of fluid? Fluid means liquid, gas or vapor. What is meant by fluid, guys? Fluid means what? Thing which can flow. What is meant by fluid? Thing which can flow. Means whatever the things, means liquids, water, oils, these things can flow. Air, nitrogen, hydrogen, all these are the gases. Steam, vapor, okay. Means thing which can flow, we can say it as a fluid. So in case of balloon, balloon will do what? Means before the balloon taking the place of air, what will balloon will do? Balloon will displace, balloon will take the space of the air. Okay, balloon will displace what? Here, in case of ship will displace water. So in case of ship, fluid displaced is water. But in case of balloon, what will be the fluid displaced? Air. Okay, air is also, guys, fluid. Okay, so fluid means liquid or gas. Okay, gas or vapor. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So that is meant by fluid. So in case of balloon will displace air. In case of ship will displace water. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So balloon will go upward. Guys, everyone has written this one somewhere in your copy. Just write down. This is for our reference. Okay, we need this in. There is one chapter, shear force and bending moment diagram. In that chapter also we need this definition, weight of fluid displaced. Okay, in that scenario also we may need this one. Okay, in earlier, before management, see, this buoyancy is in our mechanics syllabus only, but nowadays it is not in mechanics syllabus. It is in this buoyancy force, it is in your naval syllabus. Okay, means you may study these things in naval. Okay, so now try to see the scenario here. So which force is responsible to move this balloon upward? The force responsible is what, guys, here? F buoyancy. Okay, everyone, are you getting the point? Which force is responsible to move the balloon upward? So now We know by Newton's second law of motion. By Newton's always use these words. Huh? We have to impress examiner. You see, at the end, what is our target? We have to pass in the exam. And for passing exam, first important point is what? Our drawing. How to impress a examiner. Okay. How to impress the examiner? First is what? Drawing. Second impression is what? Units. And third impression is what? Use of words like a Newton's second law of motion. Oh, examiner will get impressed. So use the word by Newton's second law of motion. So our target is what? You have to impress examiner. Okay. So by Newton's second law of motion. So what will be the what? Yes, I forgot the square. Yes. So this is what otherwise examiner will get angry. He will not get impressed. So good. So I forget here. So guys, please be attentive. Here I forget square. Okay, good, very good. Okay. So guys, now, so how to impress examiner? First point, drawing. Second point, unit. And third point, of words like Newton's second law of motion. Okay. So by Newton's second law of motion, summation of force is equal to what, guys? Yummy. There is only motion in one direction. So there is all the forces is only in one direction. Vertical direction. Okay. Forces in the direction of motion positive. Opposite forces negative. So what? F by C will be what, guys? Everyone positive. And minus 18g will be what? Negative. Equal to 18a. Acceleration in this case is what? 0. So F by C will be equal to what, guys? F by C will be equal to what? 18g. Everyone getting my point? So 18 multiplied by 9.81. Please do the calculation. Everyone do the calculation. 18 multiplied by 9.81. 176.58 Newton. So we got buoyancy force. See. Now what is the specialty of buoyancy force, guys? Buoyancy force is not depends on this module. Because this module will not affect anything. So if there is module is there or not, this buoyancy force is totally depends on the size of the balloon. And what is meant by buoyancy force? Buoyancy force means what? Weight of fluid displaced. That is what we studied, guys, few minutes before. What is meant by buoyancy force? Buoyancy force means what? Weight of fluid displaced. Guys, try to see the scenario. So, whether module is there or not, whether this module is there or not, buoyancy force will remain what, guys? Buoyancy force will remain what? A constant. Try to see the scenario here. So, before breaking the module, buoyancy force is what? 176.58. After breaking the module, buoyancy force will also remain same. Because buoyancy force depends on the size of balloon and size of balloon is not changed here. That is what our assumption is here. So after breaking the module, try to see the scenario here. After breaking the module, so try to observe the point here, everyone. So what we will have? We will have only balloon. What we will have, guys? This is what? A balloon. Okay. Now after breaking, what will be the mass of the balloon, guys? What after breaking the module, what will be the mass? Before breaking the module, total mass will be what? 18 kg. What will be the mass of module? In the question they have given 2 kg. So what will be the mass? 16 kg. So weight will be what, guys? 16g. What will be weight? 16g. Try to see the scenario here. And weight is vertically downward. And then due to which force module will go up? Due to buoyancy force. So there will be what, guys? Buoyancy force. F buoyancy, and value of buoyancy force will not change, guys. Whatever the value we got in earlier here while doing this calculation, same value of the module, same buoyancy force value will remain same. Now here motion will be what, guys? Upward, and here we will have a acceleration, guys. So motion, and in the direction of motion we will have a acceleration. Now guys, any mistake from my side? Observe the things here, everyone. Okay, so guys, what we will use? What we will use? By Newton's second law of motion. What Newton's second law of motion say, guys? By Newton's second law of motion. What Newton's second law of motion say? Summation of forces is equal to what, guys? Summation of forces is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. See, guys, everything in mechanics depends on Newton's 3 laws only. Everything in mechanics depends on Newton's 3 laws only. Equilibrium equations are nothing but the Newton's second law only. In case of equilibrium, acceleration is 0 and y acceleration is 0 because velocity is constant there in case of equilibrium equation. So, summation of forces is equal to what? Yummy? Okay, what are the forces here? Forces in the direction of motion we will consider as positive, opposite negative. So, F buoyancy we will consider as a positive. Then this 16g is what? Negative. What will be the mass, guys, in this scenario? What will be the mass in this scenario, guys? Can you tell me? Mass? 18? Mass will be 18. Is it okay, guys? What will be the mass in this scenario? Mass of the balloon in this scenario after breaking the module? 16? So, okay, so please be careful. Sometimes we in hurry we may take 18. Okay, so 16. And what is our target? We have to find out acceleration. And how to find out acceleration will be equal to what? F buoyancy. Guys, observe the things. Minus 16g divided by what? 16. So acceleration, what is F buoyancy we calculated, guys? 176.58. 176.58 minus 16 multiplied by 9.81 divided by what? 16. So in this way we got what, guys? What we got? Acceleration. So please everyone do the calculation. Always please do calculation with me, everyone. And you should be faster than me. If you are telling answer faster than me, it means your preparation or practice going on well. So what will be the value, guys? 1.22625 unit meter per second square. Don't forget here square. Few minutes before I forget square here. So please don't do mistakes like that. Okay, so please be attentive. So in this way we got acceleration of the subsequent acceleration of the balloon. Okay, everyone getting my point? Anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Okay, so first of all, guys, give the target. After the target, before breaking the module, draw this drawing. Beside, write down these things. After that, after breaking the module, draw this drawing. Do this calculation. Okay, please everyone write down all these points. Everyone.